Before we get into the video, I just want to remind you guys that World Backup Day is coming. So if you have anything that you haven't backed up yet, now this is your reminder so you don't lose any of your important files. And let's get into the video. So I've been paying for cloud storage for like years now, such as like iCloud, Google Drive. And recently I actually like sat down and did the math that how much I'm paying for those like cloud services and realized that I'm actually spending way more money for the problem that has way more better solution. So here's the situation most of us are in without really thinking about it. iCloud costs you 99 cents per month for 50 gigabytes, $2.99 for 200 gigabytes, $9.99 for 2 terabytes, and so on. Then you also got like Google Drive, OneDrive. So if you're paying like $10 more, $5 more, you're suddenly looking around like $30 per month for all these cloud services just to access your own files. But if you do math for just one service, which is $10 per month, multiply by 12 months, multiply by 10 years, which comes out to $1,200 for 10 years just for 2 terabyte. And this is not even including your other services such as Google Drive or OneDrive. And here's what actually bothers me. You don't really own any of the storage at any point. You're kind of like renting the space in their server. So let's say if Apple or Google decides to raise the price, you don't really have a choice other than paying for it because you don't want to lose access to all of your files. And I'm not even getting to the security yet because how do you know that they don't have access to your files? So I have something for you which will fix all of those issues for good. So this is the all new DH4300 Plus NAS system from UGREEN. So NAS stands for Network Attached Storage, and in simpler language, it's pretty much your own private cloud that lives in your own home. It pretty much connects to your router using this 2.5 gigahertz network cable. It can back up all of your files, can talk to all the devices that you have such as your iPhone, your MacBook, your laptops in that same network. This becomes a one central place where you can back up all of your files such as photos, videos, documents from all of your devices. And unlike other cloud services, there's no monthly fee. You own the hardware, you own your full server, you have access to your own data right in your home. And in terms of design, it looks really sleek and simple. Like it doesn't really scream that I'm a server or something like that. You can easily put on your desk or on the side where it doesn't really bother you to make sure it doesn't really get into your way. If you open this magnetic lid from the top, that's where you access all of your 4 hard drive slots. Alright, so let's talk about how it actually works day to day. First thing, photos and videos. The moment your phone hits your home Wi-Fi, this NAS system starts backing up all of your photos and videos that you took on that day instantly. Now in terms of transfer speeds, this is where things get really interesting comparing to those Google Drives or iClouds. So in order to test, I have this action camera that I use to pretty much record my everyday task and some other videos or behind the scenes. And what I want to do is I want to use this camera more. I started transferring all of my videos from this camera to my NAS system, and the total was almost like 100 gigabytes of videos. Because we all been there, like you're trying to upload something really huge such as like 3 gigabyte file on a Google Drive, and it just takes hours. And this is where this UGREEN NAS really shines. Because in my test, when I transferred this 1 gigabyte of my action camera footage to this UGREEN NAS, it took only 16 seconds. Now, when I uploaded the same file to the Google Drive, it took around 40 seconds. And the reason why NAS system is faster is because it's locally sitting in your home and it has 2.5 GB Ethernet port. So you can literally connect this straight to your router. That way it has the highest speeds possible. Now, in terms of total storage capacity, this NAS system has 4 drive bays. That means you can have 4 hard drives in this, which let's say if you take 30 terabytes for one, that is almost 120 terabytes of total storage. Now for a second, I really want you guys to put emphasis on that number because the 120 terabyte of storage is enough for 41 million photos, 80,600 movies, and 125 million of document files. And currently in my configuration, I have 4 drives of 4 terabyte, which means I have 16 terabytes of storage. And here's the kicker. If you compare what would you spend on a cloud storage equivalent for like next 10 years, there is almost 6,500 of savings. So if you ask me, this NAS system actually pays for itself multiple times. Now this one feature is really unique to this NAS system, which might not be available on your iCloud. You can actually set permission access to different users on your own cloud system. And the way you do that is by creating this share folder and give that access to your loved ones or your friends or your family. That way they can access a piece of storage that you assign them to, and they can't really see your data data, you can pretty much control all the permissions. That way, all your files and their files stay safe. Now, one last thing I want to address, because this is the question everyone has. What if one of your drive actually fails? And if you think that doesn't happen, no. It actually happens, because at the end of the day, it's the hardware. And in order to protect your backup files, if that actually happens, this DH4300 Plus has RAID configuration over RAID 1. Now, if you don't know what RAID means, I'm gonna link up a video right here, which explains pretty much everything that you need to know. But let's say if I simplify what it actually means, it pretty much creates a mirror of your files on like all of those drives. You don't really lose all of that data, because it also lives in other drives, and you just put the new one in, and that way they all sync up again properly and starts working, and you don't lose anything. And look, I want to be really honest with you guys. This is not really a perfect product for every single person. There's an upfront cost, so you have to buy drives separately, then the device itself, and 30 terabyte of storage or even 4 terabyte of storage. Not going to be cheap, especially right now. But if you're someone who is already paying like $20, $30, even $40 per month for just the access to your files on your iCloud services, then you already spent enough money to own something like this outright. And if you agree with me or not, the cloud isn't going away. And every day, like, we get this new cameras, new iPhones, higher megapixels, so all the file sizes is just going to go more and more, and you're probably going to need a space to store all of those. So if you want to plan ahead, you don't want to spend too much money looking forward like for 10 years, I think this UGREEN NAS system makes so much sense. And moving forward, this is something I'm going to be using as my main backup as well. So if this is the video that actually pushes you to make that switch, then World Backup Day is genuinely the perfect time to do it. Because currently, UGREEN is running a discount of 20% off of this DH43 Plus. Links in the description if you want to grab it for yourself. So if you got any value from this video, hit that like button, because it seriously helps the channel, and drop a comment like which cloud storage you're actually paying for, like iCloud, Google Drive, and how much. Like, I'm genuinely curious to know. And I would also recommend watching these other videos that I think you'll also enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.